My name is Josh Clark, the Director of Pharmacy Outreach for the School of Pharmacy at Union University. Behind me is Providence Hall, the new home of the School of Pharmacy and the family of human patient simulators for the School of Nursing. Come on in, let's take a look. Here we are in the 3-story grand atrium, designed for this building to allow as much natural sunlight as possible for our students while they're doing their studies here at Union. One of the key features of Providence Hall is our classrooms for our students. They are outfitted with video conferencing technology that allow us to connect any classroom on campus, or in fact any classroom around the world. The profession of pharmacy is ever changing. We keep our students up to date with our Drug Information Center, a place where they can come and get the software and the knowledge they need as pharmaceuticals and medicines are updated daily. Here we are on the 2nd floor. As we make our way out on the balcony, I think you'll quickly see why it's becoming a new favorite student hangout spot. As you look across the Great Lawn, you'll see Miller Tower, Jennings, and White Hall. This has been a great place for students to come and hang out and enjoy the beauty of Union University. This section of the building is fully dedicated to pharmacy research. Here in the 3-dimensional drug design lab, we'll be mapping out and creating new chemical structures for new drugs. We'll then take the program and move it down the hallway to where we'll actually create those new chemical structures. We bring the map and formulation from our 3-dimensional drug design lab here and create the new chemical structure in our drug synthesis lab. Here in our pharmaceutics lab, our students learn how to compound, create pills, create capsules, lotions, creams, syrups. This is actually where they learn about the medications they'll be dispensing. The room you're looking at now is our sterile technique unit, where IV prep and chemomedication prep takes place. Our School of Pharmacy students have to be able to wash up, scrub up by putting on their gloves, their masks, their gowns here in the anteroom, and then moving into the sterile technique room to learn how to do clinical pharmacy as they move into hospitals. Students get the feel of what it's like to be the pharmacist in charge, giving medications across the counter, talking to patients. And around the room, we have individual patient counseling centers where our students learn how to talk to and counsel patients on all of their medications. Outside of the classroom, there's a lot of studying that has to take place. So here in Providence Hall, we've put more than 20 small group study rooms for our students to use at any point in time that they need to. Here on the 3rd floor, you find the Center for Excellence in Healthcare Practice, where the School of Nursing and School of Pharmacy combine for interdisciplinary learning, allowing our students simulated situations where they learn how to take care of patients in a clinical environment. The technology that's housed here in the control room allow our faculty members to put forth the experiences for our students. In these simulations, they can bring forth new x-rays, new lab reports, or even new complications during the simulation. All of our students have clinical site rotations where they actually have to go into a hospital. So here we try to simulate that as best we can. From the rooms to the hallways to the carts, everything is as real as possible that they will find as they work in clinical setting. Making sure our students have the basic skills necessary for healthcare is a vital part of what we do here at Union. So here in our skills assessment lab, we can do basic life support, health assessment training, or immunization training for all of our students. I hope you've enjoyed your tour of Providence Hall. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them. Feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call at 731-661-5979.